Hello my dear students, in this video we will discuss the exercise 3b. Before to start the solution of this exercise, let me tell you how much 1 cm equal to hm and how much 1 kilometer equal to dam and how much 1 gram equal to milligram and how much 1 kiloliter equal to 1 milliliter. I think you know the full form of these all. cm means centimeter, hm means hectometer, and km means kilometer, and dam means decameter. G means gram and mg means milligram, and kl means kiloliter and ml means milliliter. So in this video we will find out how much 1 centimeter equal to 1 hm or 1 kilometer equal to how much dam, and in this video we will also convert the unit, one unit into the another unit. Units of measurement: length, for measuring the length. What are the units are used for length? Kilometer, or in the short it is written as km. Hectometers, hectometers means hm. Then decameters, decameters means dam. Meters is represented as m, decimeter as dm, centimeter as cm, millimeter as mm. Like this for weight or for the mass. Kilogram for represented as kg, hectogram represented as gh, decagrams represented as dam, dag, gram as g, decigram as dg, and centigram as cg. Here dm for decimeter or decigram, dg means decigram, and dam means decagram, and dag means decagram. These are the different units, dm or dam. I hope you understood. For capacity or for the volume, kiloliter as kl, hectoliter hl, decaliter dal, liters l, deciliter as dl, centiliter as cl, and milliliter as ml. Now look at this diagram. In this diagram we will learn how to convert a unit into another unit. In the left hand side larger units are written, and in the right hand side smaller units are written. So when you move from left to right, then you will get the smaller unit, larger unit to smaller unit. Or when you move from right to left, then you will get the smaller unit to larger unit. What you will get? The larger unit from the smaller units. So larger to smaller when you move right to left, and when you move left to right you will get larger unit to smaller unit. You will get the smaller units. I hope you understood this. Now here the short forms are written: km, kg, kl, hm, hg, hl, dam, dag, dal. So for all the short form I have written their full form here. Km means kilometer, hm means hectometer, dam means decameter, m for meters, decimeters, dm for decimeter, cm for centimeter, and mm for millimeter. Like this for gram and liters. Now you can easily learn this diagram with the help of some trick, and you can easily convert one unit into another unit. So I will tell you how to learn this. Let's see. In the case of the meters, you can learn it like a poem: kilo, hecto, decameters, deci, centi, millimeters. What? Kilo, hecto, decameters, deci, centi, millimeters. And next for the grams: kilo, hecto, decagrams, deci, centi, milligrams. Kilo, hecto, decagrams, deci, centi, milligrams. For the liters: kilo, hecto, decaliters, deci, centi, milliliters. So like this you can learn the units. In short, kilo, hecto, decaliters, deci, centi, milliliters. Now here I written length, mass, capacity. So here I written the short form of the units: km, hm, dam, m, dm, cm and mm. So what I told you, in the left hand side larger unit and in the right hand side smaller units. So when you want to convert a larger unit into the smaller units, so you have to multiply. What you have to do? You have to multiply. Now if you want to convert a kilometer into the hectometer, then you have to multiply it by 10. Like this, two nearest or two consecutive units multiply by 1 when you are going to convert a larger unit into the smaller unit. Like this you can complete this diagram by multiplying 10 with two near ones. So here when you convert a meter into decimeter, you have to multiply the unit by 10. If you want to convert a decimeter into the centimeter, multiply by 10. So when you are converting a larger unit into the smaller unit, you have to what? Multiply. So remember this: when you are converting a larger unit into the smaller unit, you have to multiply by the 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Or if you want to convert a smaller into the larger unit, then you have to divide. What? You have to divide by 10 if you want to convert the mm into the centimeter. Here mm is a smaller unit and cm is the larger unit. So for converting a smaller unit into a larger unit, then you have to divide. So between the two consecutive units there will be divide of 10. So here two consecutive dm and cm, when you want to convert a centimeter into the decimeter, then here also you have to divide by 10. Or if you want to convert a millimeter into the decimeter, millimeter into the decimeter, so how much count? 10 and 10, two count of 10. That means if you want to convert a millimeter into the decimeter, dm, then you have to divide the given number by how much? How much count of 10? 2 count of 10. So divided by 100. Like this, if you want to convert the kilogram into the decagram. If you want to convert a kilogram into a decagram, DAM. So kilogram to the decagram. So kilogram is the bigger unit and decagram is the smaller unit. Now we are moving from left to right. So left to right you have to what? You have to multiply. So given unit you multiply by the number of steps. So how many steps of 10? 1, 2. So 2 count of 10, that means multiply by 100. When you want to change the kilogram into the decagram, it is DAM. Like this you can complete this diagram here also. When you are going to convert a kiloliter into hectoliter, then multiply by 10. So larger unit to smaller unit multiply, and smaller unit to bigger unit divide. When you want to convert a hectoliter into kiloliter, so divide it by what? Divide it by 10, because this HL and KL are the two nearest unit at the difference of 10. So multiply when you are converting the larger unit into the smaller unit, divide when you are converting a smaller unit into the larger unit. I hope you understood. So like this you can make this diagram. And our next topic, conversion of the unit to change from larger unit to smaller unit. So what we will do? We multiply to change the larger unit into the smaller unit. And how you will identify the larger unit and a smaller unit? So that poem I told you to learn: kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi, millimeter. Okay, so kilo is the bigger unit and the millimeter is the smaller unit. So to change from a larger unit into the smaller unit, so what you have to do? You have to multiply. Here it is written, you have to multiply. So for example, to convert the kilometer into the centimeter, okay, let's see what kilo, hecto, deca, kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci means DM, deci, centi means CM, deci, centi, millimeter. Okay, if you deci, centi, millimeter, and you can prefer this diagram: kilometer into centimeter. So where the centimeter is written? Here the centimeter. Where the kilometer is written? Here. So to change the kilometer into the centimeter, so if you have learned this diagram, kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi, millimeter, so you can say to move kilometer to centimeter, you have to move how many jumps you have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 jumps. So you have to multiply it by how many times of 10? 5 times of 10. 5 times of 10 means how many zeros after 1? 5 zeros after 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to multiply the given number by 1 lakh. So how many jumps? 5 forward jumps of 10 each. So thus we multiply the value, whatever the value is given, by 1 lakh. I hope you understood this. Next, to change smaller unit into the bigger unit. So for that case I told you what you have to do. You have to divide. So divide the given number as per the number of jumps. So for example, to convert the DL into DAL, now if you have learned the diagram, if you made the diagram in your mind, so DAL, where the DAL is written, DAL is written here. Here the DAL is written. Now you have to change it into, you have to change the DL, sorry, DL, this DL you have to change into DAL. Now where are you moving? You are moving from smaller unit to larger unit. You are moving from right to left, from smaller unit to larger unit. So smaller unit to larger unit we divide. Now by which number you have to divide? Now count the number of jump. DL 1 2, so divided by 10 into 10 means divide the given number by 100. So it is written 2 backward jumps of 10. Thus we divide the value in DL by 100. I hope you understand.